So the boys dropped in. Give it a few seconds, maybe.
Oh, they've been away ages.
Yeah.
They look relatively quick, like, we'll see.
We good?
They were all on e-bikes as well though, so like...
Oh, they'll be fresh.
Yeah, they'll all have fresh legs.
Should be saying that. Alright, the Rudder. It looks well ridden, so. Oh yeah. Up, up, up. Oh. I think Dave got a massive stick. You alright?
Yeah.
That sounded nasty.
I just got a massive piece of glass in my wheel. Like fully just like stuck in.
I can just hear.
Yeah. It was alright, I just like held it backwards and it came out.
Good. Oh yeah. Sweet. It's so steep in there. Oh yeah. Shit in here. Yep. Woo. A bit too much. Overcook it. Oh wow. Rudder. Woo! That's a trail. That's running well. That's running really well. Especially the top, it's so good now.
Really, eh? Yeah.
It's properly opened up.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And
Need to get somebody to clear the stuff up for the trail, eh?
yeah.
I was just holding you back a little bit there.
No, that's fine.
No, mate.
That was good, that was good, it was good.
Nice.